With iOS 27 being on its second beta right now, and also the public beta coming really soon, there is of course a question to whether you should update right now, either to the third beta, which is coming in about a week, or should you actually wait for the public beta? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about that, and let's see which one is the best for you and how much you have to wait. Well, we're currently on the second beta, with a third beta coming within days and then a public beta after that. Taking a look at the timeline, like the third beta of iOS 27 will be released on July the 6th. We're still on a 2-week schedule and we will be until the 6th beta most likely of iOS 27. And then a week or maybe 8 days after that, we should see the first public beta of iOS 27. And that should be either the 13th or the 14th of July. This, of course, taking a look back at history and how everything has been released in the past. Usually Apple will follow this same schedule. So what should you do? Well, in my opinion, and the opinion of a lot of other users that have been testing the iOS 27 beta 1 and beta 2, this is actually the best beta that I ever had on my device. The first beta and the second beta as well. Performance is great, is very stable, and it has an amazing battery life. You won't notice that you have a beta on your device whatsoever. This betas, the beta 2 and the beta 3, which should be even better, coming really soon, are probably one of the best iOS versions that I had on my device here. More stable, faster of course, and of course good battery life. And beta 3 should be even better. But what should you do? Should you go right away, right now, install either the second beta or the third beta, based of course on when you're watching this video? Well, if you just want to try it, you want to have these cool new features and all that, I suggest you go ahead and update. There is actually no reason to wait for a public beta. Now, usually I would say for most people it is safer to wait for a public beta, but this year around things are different. You won't probably notice like any difference whatsoever. So if you just want to try, you don't have to wait any day more. You can just go to your settings. Always, of course, make sure that you're safe and you do a backup of your device. Right here on the beta updates, currently you only will have the iOS 27 dev beta. If you wait for the public beta, it will show down here and you can just go ahead and install it on your device. So usually I would say most people don't install a beta until the public beta is out, and even then don't install it on your main device. But with iOS 27, beta 1 and beta 2 and the upcoming beta 3, things are actually quite different. I wouldn't mind having this on all my daily devices, or even if I'm not using it for videos and for what I do, I would still be glad to have this update on my device. It is that good, that stable, and you won't notice that you have a beta. So yes, you don't have to wait for the public beta. In my opinion, you're good to go. Just make sure to do a backup of your device just in case something goes wrong, and then you can go ahead and install the beta on iOS 27, either the second beta or again the third beta based on when you watch this video. Again, the third beta is coming on the 6th, the public beta either the 13th or 14th of July. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.